As a kid with an IBM PC, I always envied the Atari and the Commodore users for their joysticks. I wanted to use my Atari-style zipstick on my PC. I had to wait over 30 years before I finally got my wish. We insert the gamepadLPT in the printer port. In my experience, you should set the printer port as SPP in the BIOS. Download the SNES software from the site in the link below. The software allows the buttons on the controller to be programmed as any key or sequence of keys on the keyboard. By editing the ini file, you can set the action of each direction or button on your joystick. This is the ini file for Just Jackrabbit. By setting the path to your game, it will run the game automatically. You can see that I've changed the up to be left control, which equals jump in the game. After editing, you can run SNES with the ini file as first parameter. This is my default config for my Atari joystick. These settings will work in many games. To test the configuration, you can start SNES with the parameter X. To load this configuration, just type SNES, the name of your ini file, with the parameter T. T is to load it to memory. The SNES takes up 64 kilobytes of RAM, so I suggest you use load high if you're using a 386 or better. I will make another video of the gamepadLPT where I will show how to use the Sega Genesis joypad and explain the many settings and parameters that are available in SNES. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. You should also check out my video on how to use an Atari joystick on an Amstrad PC without extra hardware. Thank you for watching.